السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله الذي وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Respected teachers, Honorable Secretary, dear friends, invited guests, audience, and my beloved fellow students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Salman Mullah. My father name is Ibrahim Mullah. I am from Rajinagar. I read in his department at Ramchandranagar Siddiqiya Hifzul Qur'aniya Madrasa and also student of class 9. Today I am presenting some things about our educational institution to you. Our Honorable Secretary Dr. Sirajul Islam Laskar sir is present here. With his tireless work and hard efforts, this madrasa was established in 2014 with a few students. Currently we have 70 students studying here along with Arabic education, various general subjects like Bengali, English, mathematics, history are also taught in our madrasa. Today is a very proud day for us because today we are able to present to Hafiz the Quran, Rehan Kaji and Mujramin Sheikh as a gift to the Muslim community for the first time from this madrasa. From its very roots, a madrasa is a place of learning, high school. Here we don't just learn to read, we learn to understand our Creator, to submit to His will as Islam teaches us. We learn the pillars of Islam, how to pray, salah, perform ablution, wudu, and the etiquettes of supplication, dua. Our madrasa is more than just religious studies. It's a bridge between traditional Islamic values and modern education. We learn crucial subjects, developing our intellect and preparing ourselves for a competitive world, all within a nurturing completely Islamic environment. This holistic approach ensures we grow into individuals who are spiritually grounded and intellectually sharp. This day reminds us of the sacrifice of our founders and the dedication of our teachers. They have built a sanctuary where we can grow physically, mentally, and spiritually free from harm. As students, we are the torch bearers of this legacy. Let us pledge today to uphold the high standards of our madrasa, to be diligent in our studies, and to become responsible citizens who contribute positively to our society and the Muslim Ummah. Let's use the knowledge for good, embodying the true spirit of Islam in our actions. On this special day, let's renew our commitment to learning and excellence. May Allah bless our madrasa, our teachers, and all of us. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.